radio irimo hano iyi ni original yazanye n'imodoka. See how boring it is. It's got FM, CD and AM. Ikagira na anti-theft. So anti-theft sinzi icyo ndibimaze kubera ko anyway, I hope nitaragusa kubera ko nshobora kuyikuramo ikanga. So this is gonna be out. Iravamo iyi nigiye kujyamo single din. So iyi ni extra ngiye gutaho kubera ko nshaka kuyihindura naho ubundi radio ntabwo ari necessary kabisa, but kubera ko iyi ngiyi ifite Spotify, Pandora, iHeart, Sirius, so nshaka kuyishyiramo ngahora njya nkoresha nkeneye guplayinga muzika ziri kuri telefone yanjye. That's all I need. So izi ni extra, so iriya ntabwo nyikeneyemo kugira ngo imodoka igende. So in the meantime kugira ngo nyikuremo okay. None ya radio maje kuyiteranya, igikurikiraho no gukata tuno utu clip kugira ngo ikwiremo hariya, and then here we go. There goes nothing. The only way I have ni antenna shobora kwita kwiramo hariya kubera ko hari ryo usanga factory nini zikaba zitakwiramo antenna ya radio ariyo yeye. Lakini kona ari gatoya, let's give it a shot. Okay, there it is, all plugged up, the connector in the back. So here we go for the first time. Okay, relax. There you go. For the first time, now you can shakisha channel. Press the knob to select the language, English, Kenwood. Oh, you show selecting and who's an indie. Stand by January 1st. Wow, January 1st. Sasta ni minota 2 No. Okay, got to Yahtzee. Radio.
And health.
Davenport helped prepare me by giving me those skills to get a great job.
Davenport really kickstarted me into my career.
Davenport definitely helped me get this job.
We find out what employers are looking for, and then we design our degrees to match.
Davenport really stressed skills that are needed in the workforce.
Sounds good.
We're a little more advanced than some of the students that were our counterparts.
That's why last year, employers posted thousands of full-time.
Cornered and fires to break out the secrets. I hope.
Radio imaze kwicaramo neza irarangiye, so iri secure. Aha nizajya mpaka nyicatse kuyikuramo, so it sounds good. Sigaje kuyipairinga kuza kuri telefone yanjye kugira ngo so I can play music from my phone, so yeah. But before we